afternoon, pre-K1. So today we're going to do a science experiment. The name of our science experiment is balloon experiment. So the ingredients you're going to need is baking soda, vinegar, 2 forms of measuring cups, a funnel, a straw, a balloon, and a water bottle. So before we get started, I'm going to tell you guys the science behind the project. So the chemical reaction between the baking soda and the vinegar, which are here, is going to make this balloon inflate. So it means get larger. So this is why. When the 2 ingredients mix together, the balloon gets its lift. The lift is the gas produced by the baking soda and the vinegar. Okay? So let's get started. So first you're going to take your water bottle, your 1 cup, and you're going to fill it up all the way with vinegar, right? Then lift it up and slowly start pouring, making a mess. Okay, so we poured the vinegar, right? That's the first step. Now, the second step is you're gonna take your balloon and put it at the end of your funnel. Okay, so have it like that. And put it like this. Perfect. Now you're gonna leave this aside. Then your next step is I'm gonna take the 1/4 a cup of baking soda, right? Fill it and pour a little bit at a time, and take your straw to push the baking soda in. I just took out, there was a clump of baking soda, so it was hard to get down, so I just took that out. So I'm gonna just use the straw, because there's a hole in the middle of the funnel. That's why the baking soda goes down and the straw is helpful. So we do a little bit at a time, goes down nice and smooth. Okay, a little bit more, put the rest. There's a little bit left over, but it's not a big deal. Just as long as you get a decent amount of baking soda in your balloon. I'm gonna take some out. Yeah, because it was stuck here, so I took some out. And then you want to stretch it open. So put it on top of the balloon, right? And then you're gonna shake out the baking soda from the balloon. See, they're mixing. See the reaction here? It's mixing, and it's causing the balloon to inflate. So I did another one here ready for you guys. So I have a purple one and a blue one. Same procedure for the both of them, but the bubbling reaction and them mixing and rising is what causes the balloon to inflate, also meaning get larger. Bye, pre-K1.